You will need to purchase a replacement toilet seat. You may also want to use some rubber gloves for hygiene purposes. Firstly, you will need to remove your existing toilet seat. To do this, unscrew the butterfly nuts underneath anti-clockwise. You may also need to lift the plastic hinged flaps to undo the screws. Once you have done this, the toilet seat should simply lift off. Be sure to dispose of your toilet seat correctly at your local recycling centre. It may be an idea to clean the area before fitting your new toilet seat. You can purchase a new toilet seat at your local DIY store or supermarket, and this should come with instructions. Locate the seat and secure, following the instructions provided in the pack. Give the seat a wobble to make sure that it doesn't move and it is secure.